All right, so as you've probably seen, underneath the seal, you'll see a metal plate that will have screws going through the plate, holding the plate down. There's two ways you can do it. You can either remove all the screws and take the plate out, or you can remove all the screws and leave one screw in loose. I'm going to remove the entire plate because I find it a little bit easier sometimes. So once you've removed all the screws, you can take the plate out, just like that. And then you'll be able to remove the door seal. So how it works is, the seal that we've sent you, on the back it has a lip or a hook. And that lip or hook fits in underneath this metal strip. So what I do is I'll take the plate off and I'll put it behind this door seal. Just get the lip over the door. Oh, sorry, it's just a bit fiddly, but you just force it over all the way around so that lip is now nice and in. And then you're going to turn it back. You're going to line it up. You're going to fold it back. Find those screw holes again, just like that. And then you're going to go and put the screw back in, and that's going to clamp the seal down tightly. That's pretty much it. Like I said, you don't have to remove the metal strips, but sometimes it might be a bit easier when you do. If you come across any problems, just let us know. Thank you.